Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, in today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to this AI that has been able to generate this beautiful movie recommendation website. As you can see here, I was able to generate this using the AI, and after tweaking it for a little bit, this is what it turned out to be. So if you would like to go ahead and create this, then be sure to watch this video to the very end because I'll be explaining to you what exactly you can do with this AI, how you can get the particular code that you need, and all the features, and maybe something to watch out for while using this particular AI. So first of all, let's go ahead and start off with a simple example that we're going to ask the AI to create. So let's ask it to create a vinyl record player simulator, something of the sort, and see what it comes up with. And pretty fast you can see it has already come up with a prototype. The audio is not working yet, but you should be able to fix that from the code end. So we can also look at some examples here that have been made by the community and curated, so you can see what other people are doing by playing around with this particular AI right here. So as you can see, this is a zombie game whereby you have a specific set of rules. You know the drill, yada yada yada. But all this was created without the actual user even having to have knowledge of code or running code, which is quite impressive. So once we're actually done with this, let's now go ahead and check out the final movie generation, where this is you can get the code from your left hand side of the panel, whereby your code will be displayed, or you can go ahead and take one step further and press the three menu hamburger on the right hand side, where you can download the source code under that particular drop down. So you can go ahead and do that. So the AI is websim.ai. So that is websim.ai. Please do let me know if you like this particular implementation that we have kind of played around with right here and come up with. And if you do like it, then I will host it and maybe you guys can go ahead and play around with that. So yeah, I just wanted to pump out one quick one for you guys because it's been a while. So I'd really appreciate if you let me know down in the comment section what you would like to see, what you would like to see going forward. Now that I'm back, and yeah, that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe, and check out this video right here, which YouTube thinks you might like. Peace out.